All right, Andrea, where are you? We just got off of Queen Mary 2. We are in Tenerife. Hey, all right, woo! All right, so we are gonna walk to the city, and we'll show you what it looks like coming off the ship. So you got buses here, taxis. People are grabbing the buses and the taxis. There is a free shuttle that'll take you into the city. We want to walk it, get our steps in. There's a lot going on when you're in port. They're doing maintenance up there, which is pretty cool. Nice to see that. Look at this ship, huh? All right, let's head into the port. Into the city, I guess you would say, right? So we're walking along. We got a photo of the front of the ship, which you had to walk quite a ways towards the front. But as we're walking out of town, you see the back of the ship. Check that out, huh? Nice. We did manage to get a photo of that. The landscape here is gorgeous. And you can see some tugboats in port. And there's just some people walking. Majority are taking shuttles. So as we're walking, we have a merchant here selling stuff in the port. We haven't exited the port yet. Very nice.
Hola, buenos días. Good morning.
Buenos dias.
See you later, maybe on the way back.
Yes, we will see you on the way back. Thank you. So that's interesting. And you've got some toilets up here. I don't know if they're going to charge you. Last time we were in Spain, did they charge us for the toilets?
Not in Spain.
Not in Spain.
In Europe. Rome.
Was it Rome? Italy? Charge us to use the toilets?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to go in here and check this out. All right, we're coming up to Tenerife. Santa Cruz, Tenerife Port Authority. Thank you. The bus stopped for us. All right, we're gonna have to get a picture of this. I think we go that way, hon. Oh, follow the signs. Well, I stand to be corrected. Thank God she was with us, huh? Reading the signs.
Follow the blue line to the city center. So it's made it very easy
Very nice.
to get your way out.
Follow the blue line. They should make it green. You know, because you know when we're in port, they want us to spend money. So follow the green line to go spend your money. What do we got here? On our way to the city center. Look at this nice little marina.
How the villages are set in the.
Yeah, check that out. Let me zoom in on that.
If you do it on this side, there's less poles.
Get out of the pole, the way of the pole. Check it out. So this is a Kind of a ramp. You could see that skateboarders and stuff use this ramp. You see all the skid marks. We're going to use this ramp to go over a street. So it's kind of like a ramp bridge. So we basically came to the port, very quiet, no curbs. Thank you so much. Yeah, there's no curbs, it's just all the same height. You see, coming across from the port area. This is a famous park. Oh, is she grabbing onto something over there? Did she grabbed his penis? Did you see her? Doing a lot of maintenance on a lot of the statues in the city. Restoration. Alright, so we're walking in Tenerife, Santa Cruz, and look at these apartments. These are all apartments. We basically walked into a residential area, and it's got the it's like a little train that goes right through here all the way down. Alright, we're going into the local market. Let's see if there's anything good in here. Chicken. Look at those wings. Is that rabbit? Is that rabbit? What is it? Oh, interesting. Thank you. I don't know what is it. What'd she say?
Probably something in Spanish. You gotta remember, you don't speak. You speak a heavy accent.
All right. We'll get a little zoom of the market here. We'll what's this over here? There's soft drinks. Spices. Meats.
Bring back some spicy stuff for
Young?
young. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if we have some. Two. And do you want to do a Corona? Or a Modelo? No? You can grab me a Corona. I'll do a Corona. So he's over there making the taco for us right now. So it's, what did you order, hon? Two of the pastor?
Yes.
Right there, the pork.
Yes.
We'll do a Corona. One Corona. Please. All right, honey. This is the tacos. We're in the market here. All right. Nope, there's my Corona. Okay. Oh, we gotta pick up the trash around here. Wash those hands. All right, what do we got here? We got the two tacos for $4.50. I'll do my own. But thank you.
Penis pepper and the melon tits.
Oh, what kind of plants are those?
Those are actually plants.
Erotic penis pepper. Sounds a little spicy. Always in Spain, there's always something sexual. Last time we were here, they had this. They had penises everywhere on keychains, on magnets. Check this bridge out, huh? It's pretty cool. Lions. Let's go to that white building there. Right there. All right, we crossed the bridge. Nope, I want to go down here. We crossed the bridge and now we're going down the stairs and we're going to go to that white building. It's probably some sort of church. What do you think, hon? Any comment?
I don't know. I don't. Maybe I saw the wrong church. What wrong building you were speaking about, and I don't think it was.
She doesn't think it was a church.
The building.
She thinks it's just a building. I'm gonna
Looking at the wrong one.
I'm gonna bet a historical building because it looks very similar to the building that's in Ponta Delgada, which is another. It's a Portuguese island, and it's got a very similar looking building. Well, we're here, and guess what Andrea told me? It's a church. I guessed it was a church, didn't I? Let's go check it out. All right, we're heading back over the bridge. It says Port of Tenerife. And that's where we're heading. Queen Mary 2. It's starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully we don't get completely rained on. But we will see. Oil rigs. Pretty cool. Never seen them that close to shore. Look at how the village is just right there in the side of the mountain. This village. It's a beautiful landscape, it really is. Then you got another village right over here in the crest of two mountains. It's pretty amazing. And there's our ship, the Queen Mary 2. Alright, we're coming back to the ship. This is a beautiful ocean liner. I can't believe I called it a ship. It's an ocean liner, but it is a ship as well. But I like saying ocean liner. Very prestigious. It's got a tremendous amount of history, this ship. Ocean liner. Thanks for coming along on Hubbard's Journey.